We are still at the DF Robot booth here at Embedded World 2026, and in the background you may see a familiar little SBC. This is the UniHiker, a wonderful form factor SBC with a screen built in. There's a few other sensors here as well, including LiDAR, an SpO2 sensor, a gravity CO2 sensor, and a temperature and humidity sensor. Now, Rocket, this project has a lot of different sensors working all together, but they're all working here on the UniHiker SBC, is that correct?
Yes, it's running on a UniHiker M10. Yeah. It's kind of a Linux-based SBC. So you can see they have a screen, they have a lot of pinout and connect with the USB sockets. Yeah. So basically you can using that as a very quick demo for connect either the USB equipment and how can I say that I/O ports sensors.
Exactly, yes. And the idea here being that you have, in a very compact space, you have essentially a fully fledged Linux SBC, which is smaller than a lot of SBCs are to begin with, but that already has its input built in. You can use this as a screen. It has built-in buttons. It has ways of working with it. And so with that in mind, I can see here that there's a couple of things here. With the two buttons, what actually happens when you do start this demo?
When you push button A, there will be a sensor model. So you can see that it's a humidity and temperature sensor. You can change that. There will be a humidity will change, the temperature will change, and the carbon dioxide sensor. When you the carbon dioxide will change, and this is better. And you can put your finger on it. There will be detection the heartbeats and your oxygen in blood. Sometimes when you do some wearable project, there will be a very cool sensor. And,
absolutely, and so these are the things that are connected to the GPIO side of things, but the LiDAR is something different. This is a USB device, is that correct? Yes. So how do we access that?
Yeah, we just press button B, then we'll see the LiDAR will turn on, and we can see the screen show the distance of the things, and we can have a 2 meters range, and 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, and 6 meters. Yeah. So when we put the object here, you can see the screen will show the things that like a real radar.
Yes.
Yeah,
absolutely, and all of these things, of course, work wonderfully with the UniHiker, partly because it is a Linux device, but also because these are all things that are available from DF Robot to be bought and used together. If someone was looking to make something like this themselves at home, they wanted to get a UniHiker, some of these modules, and maybe a LiDAR, where's the best place online they can look in order to get these things and maybe some information on how to use them?
Just find our dfrobot.com. We have our product very clearly, and we have a wiki, we have open source information, so you can find it. It's very easy to build in your project with our sources. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, Rocket, thank you very much once again for a fantastic demonstration. And of course, all the links and everything to do with this demo will be linked under this video as always.